Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this super short video, I want to demonstrate how to use this free service provided by us in order to generate and build your own full stack application using React for the front end and the Flask API, simple Flask API for the backend. So for newcomers, this service is free. You can access by accessing this address, generator React. And for this video, I want to use Argon Design from Creative Team, which is a super nice design. Can be used for presentation websites and the small e-commerce applications. Let's proceed. The design is already selected. From this simple UI, I will select Flask as a backend server, but feel free to use your own flavor, Node.js or Django. For this, I will keep Flask API and hit the generate button. Now this server analyzes our request, and all good. We should be able to download the generated product in less than 1 or 2 minutes. The process is the following. The sources are available right away as a zip archive, so this operation should not take more than 10 or 50 seconds. And now the backend server tries to upload the sources on GitHub in order to be used later on, and using a versioning system. Okay, now we need to wait because I want to use the GitHub version of the product. Once we have the sources, I will check out the project here and just start the application by following the instructions provided in the README, um, and all should work as expected without issues. The generated code is released under the MIT license, which means you don't have to mention AppSeed in the sources, or in case you build a new product, even a commercial one, you don't need to mention AppSeed. You simply removed all our references from footer and other places, and just use the product and build something useful for your clients. Okay, now the product is fully generated. It's uploaded also on GitHub, so we can see here that this file, for instance, was built 1 minute ago. So we can check out the README for the build instructions. Of course, we need a decent Node.js version for the React part. Our recommendation is to use Node 16. Node 16, Node 18, because most of our tests are using these versions, but feel free to use a legacy version like 14, 15, and whatever. The important part is to have the product up and running, on your local file system, and this should be okay. Okay, let's clone the source code here. Now I have the source code. We need to split the windows because the React UI and the Flask API should be started using separate processes. Let's navigate to the Flask API server. Let me increase the font just to have a better view over the commands. Okay, now I'm using Docker in order to start the API. Basically, is this Docker compose app -- build, and the rest of the commands are related to kill the other containers started in my environment, because I don't need it. I don't need any other Docker services for the moment. And for the React, I will navigate to the React UI folder and just type yarn for the dependencies installed, and yarn start for the UI. So in the same way, all other designs like Berry, Purity, Horizon, and Soft Dashboard can be used and combined with other API servers like Node.js, Django, Flask, Laravel will come soon. Fast API is also available, but it's not integrated into generator yet. We will do this in the coming weeks. And in case something is missing or you need support, just access this page. Let me show you. Go to AppSeed and always keep this link, support link, on the home page in the super visible area. Just click on it and use the credentials listed here. Basically, this is the official email used by us and seen by the entire team. And also on Discord, we have more than 1,000 members, and we try to assist one-to-one and help our users to solve their problems. Okay, now we need to wait a little bit because the React build takes 1 or 2 minutes. The Flask API is already up and running, but we need to wait for the React UI completion. Cool. I will test the product using incognito window just to have a clean session for the product. So before you are generating the code, there is a demo here, and the final product should looks like this. So let us know if something goes wrong and you don't see this page once the product is up and running. But in all cases, all should work as expected. Okay, now the product is built, is started in the browser. So we have here the local address. Let's create a new user. I will use just some simple credentials. So the application is up and running. We have authentication. We can use the product. We can also update the Flask API backend in case we need more features. And by default, the guest users are redirected to the login page or to the registration page. And once the user is authenticated, we are able to access all the private pages. Let me highlight the landing page. Looks super nice in my opinion, this kit. Of course, it's designed by creative team, and they are successful web agency with many products. Okay, this one is profile landing, and also we have the home page where all the components are explained. There are many widgets components. We have here a carousel which looks super nice, icons and other things. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about the product. What new model should be added to the generator. As mentioned before, the service is free, so you can use it without paying anything. And also the code base is licensed under the MIT. If we go here to the license, we can see that the license is MIT, so there is no limitation in case of you want to use the code base for a commercial project or simply for learning activities. So guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day and see you all on the next video. Bye.